What's up guys, welcome to another video with the CLA45s. Now today is going to be awesome because I'm taking you out for the first ever POV drive with my new upgraded exhaust. Okay, so first POV drive with the new modified exhaust in the CLA45s. I just have been so excited to show you guys. So we're currently in comfort mode, just cruising along, no drone at all, super silent, but now we go into our race mode. And the pops are just crazy at the back there. It's so much deeper, so much throatier, and the pops at the back have completely transformed the car. Oh, I just love it. It is just a popping machine. Sorry, I don't want to talk so you can hear it. Gosh, it is such a transformation, guys. I don't know if it's going to come out so well on the video. Fingers crossed it does, but wow, it just is a huge difference. And for £340, I mean, when you look at full exhaust systems for this car, they're up to like £5,000, and I actually think this sounds better. Oh. I've been having so much fun driving the car since I've had it done, and I'm not going to lie, I've been getting through my petrol because I've just been in race mode constantly. Because even just going slowly like this, you know, we're in a 30 zone now. You can just hear it at the back. Can you hear those little burbles? It's just ready and it's so aggressive. But yeah, you can flick it into comfort mode. I know a lot of people asked me about drone. They were concerned whether or not this would still be quiet and comfortable. And well, listen to yourself, guys. We are just sailing along now through a residential estate in comfort mode, and it's like the stock exhaust. It's identical, it's super silent, but you press the button and everything changes. It's starting to trickle with a little bit of rain now, actually. Oh, the gearbox got a little bit upset there. That was the most aggressive gear change I've ever experienced in this car. Oh yeah. So I've noticed ever since I got this exhaust modified too, is everyone looks at the car because it does sound a bit obnoxious, I'm not going to lie. But of course you can control it with the drive modes, it's got the valves still. It's just pop, pop, pop. Close the window a bit down because it is raining. It's just a popping machine. And the shifts, I don't know if you can hear, but they're so much more aggressive. Just the downshifts as well. Let's see if we can turn it around here. haven't actually been down here before, so I am a little bit lost. It still pops even in high RPMs. I feel like it didn't used to pop as much in the high RPMs with the stock exhaust. So guys, I am absolutely over the moon with this mod. So glad I did it. I really didn't know what to expect because, you know, there's not much coverage on exhaust on this car, and yeah, it's just blown me away. I can't recommend it enough to everyone. It's just such a good mod, and videos will never do it justice just on how good, sorry, we can't even see, just on how good this mod is and how much it's transformed the engine note. I mean, the startups are so much better as well, just everything about it. And you don't have to compromise anything because it still sounds like stock in comfort mode. Oh yes. Right, we're going to go down this nice little road here. We often drive down here, so if you want to see what it sounds like in stock, just watch some of my other POV videos before the mod, because I'm doing a similar driving route really. Please don't turn left, I want the road to myself. Ah yes, it's all ours. This car is lightning fast. One thing I really enjoy too with this exhaust mod is when you slow down and it goes down the gears, it's so aggressive on the downshifts. So this is what it's like driving in race mode at 30. So you can hear the exhaust quite a bit now, and I wouldn't say it drones, but you can just hear it. You can hear some really nice sounds, like I think I mentioned earlier, you can hear some nice little bubbles. But you can just flip it into comfort if you don't want to hear that, and it's just your standard cruiser. But I just love listening to all those little sounds. It's really, really enhanced now. I mean, I think now we can pretty much say the CLA45s with this mod is the complete package. I mean, what is it missing? I mean, obviously it's missing a V8, but you know, a phenomenally fast engine, super high RPMs, sounds incredible now, handling, looks, the car's just got it all. Took it a little bit easy there because there was some dirt on the road. So as we come out here with all the pops, this is more of kind of your sort of motorway or dual carriageway as we'd call that. So what we'll do, I'll show you what it's like in comfort mode on the dual carriageway. So you get the dramatic acceleration, of course, but we just flip it into comfort mode now. Valves are closed. This is kind of what the car sounds like on the motorway. So I wouldn't say there's any drone at all, really. I mean, if anything, I can just hear road noise. It's pretty silent. I mean, it's ever so slightly louder than stock, but yeah, I mean, if we turn the button on, now you can hear a little bit more of the engine. We turn it off, and it's silent. Now that might not come through on the video because it's so minor in comfort mode. The valves are really, the valve only really makes a difference with the exhaust button, where you're accelerating quite hard and going through the higher RPMs. But on the whole, I could drive this car and do a 3-hour drive in comfort mode on the motorway, and I would be super comfortable. I mean, I've covered before how much I love the seats. They're not for everyone, but I love them. So yeah, so if anyone's concerned about any drone or losing the comfort of the car, please don't worry at all. But we're going to go back into this mode now, which is my individual race mode. And we're going to have some fun, and then that'll be the end of the video. It's just so good, guys. I cannot tell you enough just how happy I am and the huge smile on my face right now, just because the car is now incredible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got more videos coming on this exhaust and car, of course. I've actually filmed my first ever drive to work with the exhaust, so if anyone wants to kind of get a bigger picture of what this car is like with the exhaust from day to day, then make sure you wait for that one, because that one's coming soon as well. But thank you so much for watching, guys. It's always a pleasure. Really, really appreciate the support, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.